Today I'm going to talk about how to give your visual story context, giving your story a good title. I personally think one of the beauties of photography is in its ambiguity, but too much ambiguity can sometimes be an issue. Let me show you an example. This is a photo taken in 1968 in the Vietnam War by Eddie Adams. Without context, you just see a soldier shooting a gun at a civilian whose hands are tied back. It looked violent enough to start an anti-war movement in the United States back then. The truth is, however, this is a photo of summary execution of a Viet Cong or an armed communist soldier. He was alleged to have cut the throats of a South Vietnamese military officer, his wife, their 6 children, and the officer's 80-year-old mother. He even disguised himself as a civilian afterwards. To put it another way, a photo or even multiple photos don't tell a clear story or message by themselves. You need context. The easiest yet best way to provide your photos with the context needed is to give a title. This context can change everything in your photo. Thus, the title can totally make or break your photos. For example, do you know what was the original French title of Decisive Moment by Henri Cartier-Bresson? That was Images à la Sauvette, which can be translated as images on the sly or hastily taken images. Yes, his photos are great, but with the good title Decisive Moment, they became even greater. So I highly recommend giving your photo or photo series a good title and sharing it with us on Instagram, of course, with the hashtag IVSL_give a title so that we can inspire and encourage each other to keep perfecting our skills. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video and I hope to see you next time.